Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel is all about crochet. So let's just dig right on in, grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some yarny talk. I have three things that I'd like to show you guys today. One is a finished item, and one is Happy Mail, and the other one is a kit from Annie's that I'd like to show off. Okay, so I'll start with the finished object. It is, I just released the pattern to my first crochet pocket shawl, and I'm so excited about that. The response has just been overwhelming, and I just thank you guys so much for all the comments and the encouragement and all the stuff that I'm getting from everyone. I appreciate it so much. I'll leave the link below of the pocket shawl and also for the canyon hat pattern. So here's the hat using the hag stitch, and so this is a tutorial that I have for this one. And I used the Touch of Alpaca yarn, and it's called Crimson. And it's 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca, and it's a medium 4-weight. And I don't know how many yards this takes, but it's not very many. So then the other thing is the pocket shawl. It's done. The tutorial is up, and I'm so excited for this. I'm actually on my way to make another one. And I guess I could show it a little closer. So the second one that I'm going to make is, I'm going to make it out of this Never Enough that I bought from Michael's. I paid $2.99, I think, for this. And this color is called Gold. So my next one's going to be in this one. So I'm excited about that. Okay, the other thing is I want to show you guys is Annie's sent me a kit to introduce to you guys. It's a new kit called the Farmhouse Style Kit. And I just received it. So, but it came in this big old box. And let's see. And it is it's something new that they have going, and from what I understand, it's really popular. And so it's like, if you want to sign up, I'll leave the link below that you can sign up with. But from what I understand, they sell fast. So guys, if you want to sign up for this, sign up as quick as you can and get on their mailing list, because I heard from other channels that they're selling pretty fast. And so this is what they sent me. This is to make this. It's Annie's Farmhouse Kit Club. Look at that. That's what you're going to make. So when I get a chance, I'm going to make this to show you guys. But I'm pretty excited about this kit myself. But it comes with all this felt of, there's the leaves, and then there's the strips, I guess. I haven't read the instructions yet, but this is what you get. You get this big package of that, and hold on. It's the note they sent me. And you get the wreath holder. Look at that. I will find out what the monthly price is on this. Sorry, at this point of making the video, I didn't even think to check the pricing on it, but I will, and I'll put it in the link down below. But it also comes with this right here. So anyway, so I thought that was really cool. There's all your supplies right there. I think this is going to be an exciting club to be involved in, because it kind of gives you something different to get out of, like if you need a break from your crochet. Of course, you guys know that I crochet 24 hours a day practically. But it is nice to have a break, to do something else. And trying to think, there is something else that I like taking a break. Well, besides my reading, I do kind of stop and do a little reading. I do, come on guys, what is it? The cross stitch, I like doing that. So there are things that, you know, when I take a break from, I do other type of crafts. Oh, and plastic canvas. How can I forget plastic canvas? I just saw a video the other day where someone had just bought the Christmas plastic canvas kit, but they did not show it on the video. And I was like, oh, I want to see that because I might want that. Because I make plastic canvas villages and stuff all the time. And, well, I have in the past, but not here recently. And I was thinking, I want to see that. And they didn't say where they bought it. And, so anyway, if you made that video and you're watching my video, comment in the description, comment down in the comment section for me and tell me where you bought that, because I would love to have seen what the Christmas village looked like. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to give it a try myself. And like I said, Annie's did send this to me to show you guys, you know, what their kit is like. And I was so excited when I got it, and I think that you'll be happy with it too. Okay, and like I said, I'll leave the price below. Okay, so my third thing is for this video, oh my gosh, it's Happy Mail all the way from the UK. It's from Sabrina Melodieuse. Hey Sabrina, I'm so excited. I have to show this video. I had to tape this video because there's something in there that I don't think I could go the weekend and not put my hands on it. So I had to show it. It came in a package, and so I went ahead and opened it, and inside of it was another package. And I want to show you guys. This is such an exciting package. Sabrina, this just, it really made my day. And I've already taken pictures and sent to my daughter and her husband to show them, like, hey, this is the first, you know, thing I got, and it came all the way from the UK. And so I sent them a message showing them. And then I turned around and sent a message to my sisters and my nieces. We have like a little group message, just us women are in. And so I sent that, showing it off to them as well. Anyway, so it came with this card. And I wasn't expecting a card like this. You know, a lot of times we send a card and it says, you know, like, thank you, I like your channel. You know, okay guys, this card is different. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Look at this. Congratulations. You're going to be grandparents. Look at that, guys. I was like, what? Yeah, it's just, Sabrina, if you did not send anything else in the package, this right here would have been worth it. Anyway, she calls me Gigi in here, telling me congratulations, becoming a grandma. And yeah, it's just a beautiful card. I love it. Was not expecting that. Okay, so the first thing that was in here is, guys, I'm pretty excited to get this. This is why I had to show this, do this video ASAP. Looky. This is my weekend and my husband's weekend snack. I showed it to him whenever I got it, and I was like, oh my gosh, you're not going to believe this. Look what's in here. And he was like, okay, so I guess we can probably just cut it, split it in half, and we each get half. I was like, yep. So I'm so excited for this. Thank you, Sabrina. So you not only brought me enjoyment, but you brought my husband enjoyment too. That is our weekend snack right here. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, so the other thing is that she got in here, and this is exciting too. We can't let the chocolate trump the yarn, right, guys? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins of this right here. Looky there. And it is so, so, so soft, guys. It says it's King Cole, called Cherish, Baby Double Knitting, is what it says underneath it. 100 grams, approximately 273 yards. The color is Humbug. I like that name. Let's see, what else do I need to know in here? 100% low peeling acrylic. So we're looking at Sabrina, this is definitely enough yarn, sweetie. She put in there that if it's not enough yarn, she'll send me more. This is enough yarn. Yeah, that's a lot. And it is so soft. I don't even know what I want to make with it. The possibilities are endless what to make with this. My head is swimming. So, yes, she is going to love this. I mean, like maybe even a, what do you call it? The chevron baby blanket, you know? Or even making a little jacket with the little hat. And then if it's a boy or a girl, you could add little embellishment on it to reflect the gender of the baby. Or just leave it like this. I mean, I don't know. There's so many possibilities of what to make with this yarn. Okay, so whatever I make, I will definitely show you guys what I end up with. So that is my Happy Mail. And I don't think I can get this all in here with one hand showing you guys, but I can try. So there it is. Look at that. So thank you, Sabrina. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This was a complete surprise. I mean, I know you said you had a little something that you was sending, but it never occurred to me that it would involve food or something for the baby. So I appreciate that. I truly, truly appreciate that. Okay, so I will leave Sabrina's channel. She has a YouTube channel as well, and I will leave her channel below. Go check her out. She does so much stuff. I mean, this lady can just whip them things. They can just come right off her hook so fast. It's like she is Superwoman. So, and her work is beautiful. She makes the most beautiful sweaters, tops, top thing, little sweaters. I mean, my gosh, and she knits. So, she will show patterns that look so complicated to me when she's showing them. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's no way I could do that. And I probably couldn't. To this day, I still couldn't. But it's like the next video, she'll show progress or even the finished object, and it is just beautiful. I'm like, how does she do that? So yeah, you need to go check out her channel. She's always happy, and I like that. So yeah, so go check her out. Her link to her channel will be below. So thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to end this video with a Bible scripture. There are so many of you guys that really appreciate this, and I thank you for commenting and letting me know, because sometimes you just don't know if people truly appreciate this part of it or not. You know, and the comments that I get from you guys are so encouraging. So we'll go ahead and read today's. It says mercy upon mercy is the title of it. They are blessed who show mercy to others, for God will show mercy to them. That's in Matthew 5:7. It says, merciful God, your compassion astonishes me. You show me how to live by how you love. And you love with such mercy, it moves me to tears. How can it be that a heart so strong is also so tender? Every morning you wipe the slate clean just because you love us. How can I give that back? I cannot, though I wish to keep trying. Every merciful act on my part comes back to me multiplied. That's so like you, piling mercy upon mercy, grace upon grace, gift upon gift. How can I thank you but to grow in mercy myself? And it says, did you sense God's mercy today for yourself or others? Beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, so I will, that's all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.